everyone. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to color code drop-down list with Kutools for Excel. If you want to handle this job more quickly, you can try the color drop-down list features of Kutools for Excel, which can help you directly add colors to the item of drop-down list. Select the drop-down list cells, then click the Kutools tab. In the range and cells group, click the drop-down list option and select color drop-down list. In the color drop-down list, you can check the scale you want to add color to in the apply to section. If you check a row of data range in the apply to section, you need to select the row range. So add colors to the item of drop-down list one by one. I have selected one item from the list. Then click one color you need to add color to the selected item, and I will select the red color. Next, select the second item and add a color to it. I will select the blue color. Select the third item and choose one color for it. Select the fourth item and choose one color to it. Select the last item and choose one color for it. At last, click the OK button, and now the items in the drop-down list have been colored. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.